We are back with a series of Science of Shuddhi. Let's discuss the very first Shuddhi, Dhauti, mentioned by ancient Hathavic sages in the sequence of 6 cleansing practices. Dhauti majorly covers the cleansing of upper intestinal tract. But however, there are some ancient practices mentioned in the Gheran Samhita, the 18th century treatise in which known as Shankh Prakshalan, which also claims the complete entire gastrointestinal tract. There are 3 types of dhoti majorly performed these days. First is Vastra dhoti, where a very thin but a very long cloth is swallowed and is inserted and then gently it is pulled out. The second is Vaman dhoti in which the 1 or 2 liters of the water is drunk and then it is then using the vomiting reflex taken out of the body. The third is Danda dhoti. In Danda dhoti, sometimes what happens, the water doesn't come out in the Vaman dhoti. So what we do is, after drinking 1 or 2 liters of water, we take that pipe and we insert the pipe inside till the abdomen. And after that, what we do using the pressure principles, we take out that water out. Dhauti flushes out the toxins and also it refreshes the inner linings of the gastrointestinal tract. These toxins, when removed, brings the natural lightness in the body, thereby eliminating all kinds of disorders originating from the gut. In addition, it also helps us remove the diseases of phlegm like cough, asthma and bronchitis. Also, it helps us improve the gastric fire, which is very important for strengthening our digestion.